Now, to have a violence-free community is the ultimate goal of my ministry, particularly the Department of Women. Why? Because we like to see very happy people, happy women, happy children. When the women are happy, children are happy, the fathers are happy as well. So our ministry has embarked on a campaign to do this, and I'm so thankful that this community has gone through the preparations towards the declaration of violence-free community. The preparations that has involved so many stakeholders include the law enforcement and other NGOs, and also with the staff from our ministry. Now this has shown that here in Koronumbu, wherever we go, we should be greeted by happy people. Not only that, evidence has been proven from the police department that wherever there is any community that has engaged in this campaign, where people are violence-free and where people are sensitive to crime, the general crime rate automatically drops as well. So that is a great achievement of this campaign. Now, the way that we have undergone the campaign, as you have undergone, has been recognized by international organizations, particularly with the United Nations, that it is an approach that we have taken that is very effective. Because for so many years, people around the world have been working towards the elimination of violence against women particularly. And this is why we have the CEDAW, the Convention on the discrimination of violence against women. And although we've spent years trying to address this very serious issue, it has not been as successful as it should have been. But the approach that Fiji is taking, they would like us to share it with the other countries in the world. I have been invited to Kenya, for instance, and India to share this. Because through our campaign, it is you in the community, the onus is on you to make it happen, to make it a success. If you are committed, and if you are coming on board with us and the police to eliminate violence in this community, only then will we be successful. Now that you've become violence-free, I'm sure your husbands will allow you to engage in projects, engage in women's activities, and we are ready to help you on that. To the men, we'd like this idea that is already established in this settlement, that the settlement will not condone violence to the women and to the children. We'd like everyone to be very much vigilant in looking after each other, support each other. There's been a lot of rape cases that are being reported. Please ensure that wherever your children go, especially when it's nighttime, you must know where they are. You must prepare them on how they can counter any action that may lead to have a detrimental effect on themselves. So the onus will be on you and all you students as well. Please protect yourselves. Protect yourselves from strangers. And that is very important. We want a violence-free community here in Koronumbu. We want everyone to be happy, to be safe, to be secure. And only then will the women be happy and become resourceful. And their happiness and resourcefulness will translate to the better family life of the members of each family. So with these words, I would like to officially declare that this Koronumbu settlement has been declared a violence-free community. Thank you.